Hey beauties! I was due for a Marshalls haul and I went a little crazy in the kids clothing section. They did have a lot of really cute summer women's clothing. I don't typically haul from Marshalls because it's hard for me to link it. If you're a Marshalls girly and you like shopping for clothes there, definitely go check them out because they had the cutest little crochet matching sets. I didn't browse a lot, but what I did see was so cute. Starting with this 2-pack of swim trunks. How cute are those? And then it's got the palm print with the goggles, the 3-piece set for $12.99. I did also find him a new Carhartt shirt. He has one already and he loves it so much. It was only $7.99. He also needed some undies, so I got him a New Balance pack of 4 for $8.99. They also had this little tank top. I thought that would be great for the summertime. It's Dallas Mavs. This was $7.99 as well. I did get him 2 packs of shorts with this New Balance style that's like the royal blue with the white on the side. The other style is just a plain black with the reflective logo on it. That was $12.99. And then this NBA one, I thought this khaki color was nice. It also came with the olive color. This was also $12.99. They did have a bunch of really cute matching sets. I did also find some really cute summer sandals for Ellie. I got these Tahari style. She's already wearing them. She could not wait for me to film this video. She was ready to get into one of her new dresses, but those sandals were only $12.99 and they were super cute and a good name brand. I found these Minecraft slides. These were $9.99. They did have a more basic style, but I know he likes all the print on them. It's what makes it fun. Being a kid, you know, gravitate towards the fun things. So I picked these out. For Brayden, I ended up grabbing these shark slides. These were also $9.99. I did stumble across this little Adidas crossbody. I like that it has a little clip here. It has an easy access pocket right here for my phone. On the inside, it has another little pocket for my wallet. This one was only $12.99, but they did have the bigger ones that has like the hanging little coin purse. Those were $19.99, but I just really needed like a simple, basic black one for baseball practice or like baseball games. Josh literally mentioned to me this morning that he needed some body wash, so I went with this one. It is a eucalyptus mint and this whole bottle was $5.99. It smells really nice and fresh too. In the checkout aisle, I found some room sprays, which this one is a vanilla cashmere and it was only $4.99. This one is the teakwood and tobacco home fragrance, also $4.99. I actually kind of want to smell this vanilla cashmere. Oh, that smells nice. I like that. I also want to smell this, but I just sprayed my whole room. Let me spray it on this side. Oh, that one smells nice too. Okay, I'm not mad at these. I was excited to find this one because Jace is 9, so he's kind of starting to outgrow toys, but he does enjoy Legos and they had a whole bunch of different sets of these. I went with the gadgets one, but they had a race car one, they had like a little animal one and a couple others, but it comes with this whole booklet of different gadgets that he could build. It was only $16.99. I think this will keep him busy for the first, I don't know, couple weeks of summer. Moving into what I found Ellie. I found this like little embroidered, super cute with the like little palm detail, and then the shorts are like a paper bag style like denim. This set was only $7.99. I also found her this little Nike set. This was $12.99. Came with the neon pink Nike shorts and a cute little top. This next one is actually a 6-piece set. These were like little biker shorts style with a little skirt. The tops are really cute with the butterfly, and it has like a cute little bow detail back. This one is just like a little peplum style tank top, these striped biker shorts, and then the polka dot biker shorts. Then there's that little tank top. It says love, and it has little bows on the side. I did find a 2-pack of super cute little dresses. This one's like a lightweight, sort of cottony feeling fabric. This set was $12.99. The top is stretchy. This one is a super cute with the plaid floral and the ruffle top. Super stretchy on the neckline. Did I say how much this set was? This set was only $16.99. Really good price for 6 items. And then this set was $12.99. I did get another little 2-pack of sundresses. This one is a really fun orange and pink floral, super cute. And then this one with the stripes I thought was super cute. They both have an X back detail, and this set was $16.99. I did find a little champion set, which I thought was super cute. It's a nice flowy little t-shirt top. $12.99 for this, and then the bottoms are actually a little tennis skirt, and they do have little shorts built in on the bottom. Love that. She really wanted this Hello Kitty dress. This was $10.99 for the Hello Kitty dress. They had a lot of really cute Minnie Mouse outfits too. I did get her a pack of undies, $5.99 for a 5-pack, which is not bad. I did also grab a cute little phone case. I think this was $8.99, but they had a bunch of really fun summer ones. I like the pink bumper on the outside, and it is a MagSafe style. I'm getting a bunch of texts from Jace's baseball coach about practice, but yeah, that was our little Marshall's haul. I'm gonna go get Jace ready for practice because according to these texts, practice is still on. So we're gonna head out. Josh is working on our backsplash this week, and I am so excited. So stay tuned for that. I don't really have much planned for this vlog, so we'll see where the week takes us.
Ollie, this dress is so cute. Yeah, do a spin. Ooh, so cute. I love it. Oh my God, our house is such a mess right now. I need to clean up tomorrow. But I did cook this HelloFresh and we're about to dig in. It smells so good. This is the Mexican chicken and rice bowls. Oh my gosh. Josh doesn't like pico, but I love tomatoes, so I just eat the rest of the pico on the side when I'm done. Wow. Summer break, and Josh is off today, so we busted out this little bounce house. I got that on Amazon, and so far it's totally been worth it.
Can I tell you more about the
Yeah?
Today at 5 p.m. NASCAR is one of NASCAR's crown jewel events. It's the Coca-Cola 600. Pre-race is at 5:30, and the green flag will fly at 6 p.m.
Cool.
It's all on FS World.
Nice. They have a Walmart car this time, right? I heard the announcers talking about the Walmart car. Who's driving it?
Michael McDowell is driving the 34 Walmart.
So cool. Cut up some watermelons.
And Mommy cut up the spicy watermelon.
Oh yeah, I made a tray with the tahini. Do you like the spicy ones?
Yeah.
You do?
I like the deep two on them.
Do you like this ones or this ones? Yeah, those?
Yeah.
One day you'll like the tahini one. So good.
Okay, come on. Let's go in.
Okay, I need to get some sunscreen.
Okay, don't worry.
You gonna get me some?
Ellie
wants me to go down the slide.
Okay. Yeah.
I'm gonna knock it over. I'm too big to go down the slide. Josh is over here on the grill. What are you cooking up?
Some steaks.
Yum. Is this your marinade? Ooh. Looks yummy.
Empty.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What you got over here?
2 potatoes and some asparagus. It's gonna be yummy.
I like this grill.
Yeah, no, this grill's dope. Badass.
We got it at Walmart.
Had a great price on it too.
Yeah, we did. It has, what's on this side?
Pellets.
Pellets, so it's a wood burning grill and propane at the same time.
If you're doing like ribs or brisket or something like that, you can cook it on this side. You ain't even gotta be here because it's Bluetooth to your phone. So it'll let you know if the temperature goes up, down, you can adjust it from your phone.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
I wonder if they have it again this year. If they do, I'll link it because it's a pretty nice grill.
It is.
That'll be a good Father's Day gift.
Oh yeah.
Who's winning right now? Ty Gibbs? Ooh. Babe, this looks so good. Thank you. Here's Josh's plate. Thank you, babe. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to dig in. There's the new backsplash that Josh put in. I love it so much, but now he wants to do white cabinets, which I pulled up a picture on Pinterest, and I think it could look good, but I'm kind of not wanting to paint these, but I also feel like it'll brighten this up and kind of hide this brown granite. He still does have to do the other side too, so we have some time to decide what we're gonna do, but I know Josh is leaning towards painting the cabinets. If you remember, we did paint the island a black color, so I need to wipe it down. I really love the way the black island looks with the charcoal grout. I need to switch out our Easter decor because I still have this bunny rabbit wreath here. I did go ahead and order some gold pools, which I think will look really pretty on the wood cabinets. Maybe I should do wood on the lowers and white on the uppers for a while. You see the vision? I kind of like it, but I think the white will be pretty too. I'll include an inspo pic that we found on Pinterest. I did also end up ordering some smart plugs. Also, some of the grout is still here. So I ended up ordering a spin scrubber to get all of this off and to clean off the grout when we finally do this side, because hand scrubbing this was rough and it took me a couple days and I still didn't even get like all the grout. So I'm excited to try the spin scrubber. I've been wanting to try one for a while, but overall I'm so happy. Oh, and also check it out. I'm gonna turn down the lights in here so it can be cozy, and I wanted to show you this little remote I have here is for the under the cabinet lights. These are just stick-on ones from Amazon and I got a 4-pack. So that's what it looks like under there. I have 2 on this side too. So I can't wait to get this fully done. And what I love about this is that you can set it on a timer. You can also dim it, change the color. But I have that candle warmer over there, which is warm. So I do typically keep it on the warm. You can make it brighter, which I think it's at the brightest. The up and down arrow also dims them. There it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and set it on an hour timer. And these are just run by batteries. So I could literally pull it off. It's like a little on-the-go flashlight, which is nice in case you lose power because these are battery operated. So yeah, that's what our kitchen is looking like so far. What do we think? Let me know in the comments below if we should go with white or leave the wood. Actually, more people in the comments of our Casa Nunnery TikTok told me to paint them, which I was surprised because most of the time I see DIY projects where people are like saying to keep the wood. Even though people say a white kitchen is out of style, I feel like a white kitchen's always going to be classic. And I also feel like it will really make this island pop if everything around here is white. I can't stop staring at this backsplash. It looks so good.